it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Snoopy from Peanuts with a Christmas hat. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. I'm a huge Peanuts fan, so all right then, let's get ready and jump into this. It's only an 8-minute video, super short. Stay all the way to the very end. And yeah, that's about it. Let's do this step by step. Before I do that, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw cartoons or anything like that with Christmas themed or with Halloween themed, hit the subscribe button now. This is a seasonal channel, so when next year rolls around again, you're going to start seeing videos pop up in your feed when at the appropriate time, right? It'll be like, oh, Halloween videos are popping up, cool, on my feed. Or, you know, Christmas, oh, cool, Christmas videos are popping up in my feed around Christmas. So absolutely subscribe and click the bell notification so it lets you know. All right, let's get started. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw a curved line over here for the front of the nose. Snoopy's nose, basically. Pulling up just a little bit. I'm going to draw a straight line across for the brim of the hat, from the Christmas hat. Going over here, curve underneath. Line over here for the back side of his neck. Over here now we're going to draw the ear. Dropping down, going up. Almost looks like a, I don't know, like a droplet shape. Gonna go on the inside of the ear and make a dark shape. Over here for the eye, curved eye. Is gonna have like a closed eye. It's gonna be just basically a line. Gonna go over here, curve for the button nose that he has. Line over here. Line over here. Over here, the edge. Zigzag for the scarf. Line over here for the scarf. And I'm gonna have the scarf kind of, you know, fly backwards in the wind there. Line over here for the, you know, bend in the scarf. Go over here. Line up. And I'm going to draw those little rivets at the end of the scarf there. Zigzag at the top right there for the brim of the Christmas hat. Curve back, down. Go over here for the top of the hat, up. Curve back, down. Line over here, down. Circle for the ball at the end of the hat. I think I wanna get rid of this line here, I think, at least. Just there to make it more, I don't know. Just seems better that way. Go over here to the stomach. Little round tummy. Go down here. Down. So he's back there. From here I draw down. Down is gonna draw, like, basically it's his leg. Out over here. And that's gonna go into his back leg. Okay. Round shape over here for his foot. And also another round shape over here for his foot. I'm going to draw lines right here. See, 2 lines right there for the paw. I mean, you know, the fingers and the foot right over here as well. And I'm going to draw his hand down to the side. It's going to draw down, curve, up. Okay. And in that, I'm going to draw 2 lines as well. He does have a tail, so you can draw that. And sometimes he has a spot on his back, which you can do that too. And that's almost it. One second. What else am I going to do with him here? That's pretty much it. That is Snoopy Christmas. At least from one angle. I'm going to draw this character a lot because I love this character. So, yeah, it's going to be a lot of him, different videos. But this is one video of Snoopy walking. If you want, you can, like, maybe put, like, a shadow here, like he's skipping along or something, like he's running along there. Right? To kind of incorporate him into the back. You can even do this. You can throw, like, a line over here as a background. So that'll kind of be better, right? But anyways, yeah, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for watching. Christmas is here. Hit that like button if you like this character, if you like the drawing lesson. I am going to be putting up, I'm going to put up 3 videos every single weekday for until Christmas, or actually maybe until New Year's. But it's gonna be very active. I really want to thank you for watching. You guys are awesome and you contribute so much, and I am very, very happy and proud to kind of do this for everybody here. Everybody's so unbelievably nice, like really just some of the nicest people ever. What I want you to do is I want you to share the video if you do enjoy it. It helps the channel out with the algorithm, helps the channel grow. And that's kind of it. Say hi to me in the comments if you hear this right now, because then I'll know that you heard the whole thing. And leave maybe feedback or like a question, or say hi to me in the comments. That'll help. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much. The last thing I will say is, when you're drawing, remember to have fun. When you have fun, it is a lot easier to learn, and you're going to find your art getting better and better when you just learn to have fun. Yeah, you're going to make mistakes sometimes, of course. That's the way it is. That's a learning process. But you try again, and try again until you get it, and you will get it eventually. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time, and I'll talk to you soon.